Tonight's meditation is about being out in nature and connecting with spring, with growth. It's about planting new ideas, desires, wishes. And all you need to do is follow my voice. If I say, see a blue ball of light and yours happen to be yellow or pink, that's fine. Allow the energy to take you onto a journey. I would like you now to pay attention to your breath, just watching how the body breathes. The gentle rise and fall of your chest. Setting the intent that you are receiving all you need. And allowing yourself to relax more and more. With every breath you take in, you're breathing in peace, and on the out breath, releasing tension. I want you now to imagine that there are roots growing out the soles of your feet. And these roots are growing stronger and bigger and deeper into the ground. Deeper and deeper, these roots are growing. And when these roots are reaching the crystalline grid of Mother Earth, which can look like a giant crystal, just set the intent you're now anchoring into this fifth dimensional crystalline grid. And now I want you to imagine that a golden light is coming from this grid and is starting to grow up your roots. This light is moving up further and further up your roots. And when the light is reaching the soles of your feet, this beautiful warm light, it's moving into your feet. And it's starting to move up your legs, relaxing you more and more. And this light is now moving up your legs, into your knees, releasing all pain and tension out of your knees. And this light is moving now into your thighs. And then into your hips and pelvis. And further up the torso. It's moving all the way up to the shoulders. And releasing all tension out of your shoulders. And the energy is moving down your arms, past your elbows, your wrists, and right into your fingers. Releasing all stiffness, soreness out of your joints. And this light is now moving into your neck and throat, and up into your head. And it's moving out the top of your head. And from there it goes into the cosmos, to the great central sun. You are gifting below to above. And now I want you to imagine that light from the great central sun is coming down from the cosmos, top of your head, and is starting to gently and slowly down your body, moving all the way down, out of your feet, down your roots, into the crystalline grid. You are now gifting above to below. And now I want you to bring your awareness to your heart chakra, to your chest. And I want you to imagine you breathing in and out through your heart. Energy moves in from the front and out your back. You are creating an energy field around you, filled with golden light, nourishing, healing, caring. Absorb this golden light. And I now want you to join me onto a journey. And this journey is leading us down a beautiful path. It's going right through a beautiful meadow. You can see the flowers starting to bloom. The grass is getting a bit greener and fresher. The trees you can see, they're all starting to grow beautiful, fresh green leaves. You can hear the birds singing. It's a blue sky with the odd cloud floating across. And this meadow, this path you're traveling on, is leading into a garden. And you can see there are vegetable patches ready to be planted. There is a potting shed, a greenhouse, there is compost. Right, what are we going to plant today? You make your way into the potting shed, and in that potting shed is a shelf. And there are many, many packets of seeds. But these aren't ordinary seeds. The seed says health, abundance, love, compassion, empathy, prosperity. Those are the seeds you see in front of you. Pick any one you wish to have more from. More peace, more love, more health, more harmony, balance. Just grab the one you feel drawn to, and then make your way down to the vegetable patch with your little shovel and your watering can, and you start planting. And while you are planting these seeds, you find an acorn right next to you. And you decide, why not? I'm going to plant this acorn now. And you just take this acorn and you plant it right next to what you have just planted. And then you go back to the potting shed and you take 2 more of the seeds to plant. And you go back to that patch of soil and you plant those too. Now that you have planted your wishes and your acorn, you water it, cut it all down, say a little prayer, And you go to bring the shovel back. Wash your hands and leave that garden. And this garden is leading into a beautiful garden filled with flowers. It's one of these formal, posh gardens. And while you're walking along this garden path, you are drawn to your favorite flower. And you make your way to that flower. And you touch it, feel it, and take a deep, deep breath. Fill your lungs with the scent of your favorite flower. And really look at it. You know, really look at the petals, the leaves. What do the leaves, the petals, feel like? And you carry on this path. It is bringing you to a water fountain. It's a beautiful old-fashioned fountain. It's a water cascading down. There is some fish swimming about. It's beautiful here. And you decide to take a seat right at the edge, soaking up the sunshine, listening to the water and the birds, and let it all go. Let all worries, all tension go. And you notice something. There is a figure standing to your right. And this figure is coming towards you. It's a very friendly figure which is coming towards you. One of your loved ones. Just here to say hello. And is giving you your favorite flower. And walks away again. This flower is the answer to a question. worry if you don't get an answer today. It may come later while you're asleep or first thing in the morning when you wake up. I want you now to start walking back the way you came. Walking back through this beautiful garden, passing the potting shed, walking back through the meadow, and now bringing the awareness to the breath. Notice how the body is breathing. I would like you to take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and then release. Do that again. I would like you now to start moving your toes and your fingers. Take another deep breath in, and when you're ready, open your eyes.